Hi guys, welcome to Moby Tech. Samsung Galaxy Note 20 series seems to be on track to launch in the month of August. The Galaxy Note 20 Plus has now appeared on Benchmark, revealing earliest details of the product. The device bearing model number SMN986U has popped up on Geekbench. The listing shows some of the key specifications of the device. It reveals that this device runs Android 10 out of the box and has been tested with 8GB of RAM on board. As per the leak from Ice Universe, Samsung Galaxy Note series will be having Snapdragon 865 Plus out of the box. As per the leak of upcoming handset's possible phone case reveals a bit about what we can expect from its design. There are a couple of things we can assume about the handset from these images. First, we have a good idea of what we might expect from the Galaxy Note 20's camera design. If these leaked images are true, we can probably expect a robust camera setup similar to what we see on the Galaxy S20 Ultra. We can also see that the Galaxy Note 20 could possibly move the hardware buttons to the right side of the device. The Galaxy Note 10 was the first Note handset to shift them to the left, but Samsung might take this move back. As far as specs are concerned, we expect both the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 and Note 20 Plus to feature the Snapdragon 865 Plus and 5G connectivity. We also expect the handset to feature an IP68 water resistance rating, at least 12GB of RAM, 256GB of internal storage, wireless charging, an in-display fingerprint scanner, and a multi-sensor camera setup. A recent report from SamMobile suggests the Samsung Galaxy Note 20's battery capacity will start at 4000 mAh. This would be larger than the standard Galaxy Note 10's 3500 mAh battery, but the same size as the standard Galaxy S20's. If this is the case, the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Plus will feature at least a 4500 mAh battery, but we hope to see a 5000 mAh rating like the Galaxy S20 Ultra. Unfortunately, Samsung has now done away with the headphone jack on its premium flagship devices, so don't expect to see a comeback with the Note 20 series. Thanks for watching guys, hit the like button if you like this video and subscribe for daily new updates.